Excellent teaching for me is about primarily building a relationship with the learner, knowing where they're at and being able to work with them to move forward. Being able to make a difference for people and give them the tools to do something they couldn't do before or empower them to do something. So my role is in Te Ako, which is the Learning and Teaching Development team here at Otago Polytechnic. Our role is to work with staff and to build their capabilities in all aspects of their practice, teaching strategies, their decisions around planning, assessments, assessment design, anything related to learning and teaching.
The thing that makes Claire an excellent teacher is her passion for education. And when you're teaching teachers, that's both your subject area and your practice. She's very, very open to learning and to being a part of the learning environment as she teaches, which means that people around her also want to learn and to grow. So she models teaching while she does it, and people learn and grow in that space.
She listens to what you've said and how she can make your goal, I guess, achievable. It doesn't matter how big or how small your idea is, she's got time to listen and she makes that happen. So she directs you, she helps you, guides you through the whole process.
I try and lead by example by building a positive relationship with everyone that I'm working with. It's mainly about the relationship, but also building trust and seeing me as their cheerleader on the side that they can come to with questions or ideas. It's about a collaboration.
Learners are her focus, so sometimes I have amazing ideas and I say, oh, let's do this, let's do that, and then she kind of brings me back to reality and says, okay, that's a great idea, but let's think about this from the perspective of the learner. What do they need and how do we make it align with the learning outcomes of that particular program or that course?
What makes me passionate about teaching is being able to make a difference for people. Seeing those moments where something clicks for somebody, that's what gets me out of bed in the morning.